welcome back to my channel. My name is Danielle. For those of you who do not know me, hi, welcome. I'm so glad you stopped by today. Hi! It's been a very long time since I've filmed or have done anything. Some of you guys know, some of you may not. I passed a kidney stone. I went back into the emergency room because I was severely dehydrated and had a kidney infection. And I woke up and my BoxyLuxe was outside my house, so I thought it'd be a good idea to film. No, I am not 100%, and I don't know that I'm going to be super high energy in this video. I'm working on that. I'm hoping that I will be able to film a little bit more here and there. I can't really promise anything at this point, and I'm sorry. Everything hit me so hard and so out of nowhere that I think it's going to take my body a little bit of time to recover. I'm not putting any makeup on today. I don't have the energy. We're literally just going to unbox my BoxyLuxe. I know that I'm supposed to review last month's BoxyCharm, but I think I'm going to do that in a separate video and maybe do like a get ready with me or something with the items in this gigantic box here. I did want to say one thing because Raven, you are so sweet. She purchased the little Pat McGrath mini lip trance set that I wanted, and she sent it to me. And when I wasn't feeling well and when I got that package, that meant a lot to me. It's not that someone sent me something, it was just the thought that went into it, because I literally felt like crap these past, I don't know how many days. And things are just not fun right now. And I tried to go to work today. I stayed for maybe 2 hours and realized I can't do my job right now. I'm just still really weak, still not really feeling well. I've lost way too much weight. When I was going through the kidney stone and just like after, it's been a long time since I've really eaten regular food, and that's been hard, which is weird because I'm someone who loves food, and trying to get my appetite back up and everything, and just having this little pick-me-up really made me happy. I would put it on, but I have a giant cold sore on my lip, and I don't want to infect any of my makeup. So we're waiting until Danielle's 100% better before we play with any makeup, anything. So we're going to go ahead and we're going to get into this giant box. So when I open this, because I just kind of sliced it, there's this right here. And it looks like I have version 1. It says it's the Sea Sun. This thing's huge. But before I look at it, that's everything that's in my box, or whatever you guys can see. Oh! I didn't realize in the BoxyLuxe that we were going to be getting the Pretty Vulgar, the powder room. I'm excited about that. Oh, it comes with a cute little powder puff. I'm excited to try this powder. I thought that we weren't getting this in BoxyLuxe. That's a pleasant surprise. The next thing here I see is this wristlet. I think this is the one with the charger thing. I do know some of what is in the box. I was not expecting the Pretty Vulgar, but I believe that this is the with the portable charger. It says Crimes of Beauty on it. Cool. That will be nice to charge. I don't know about the Glam AF Wristlet if I'm going to use it. I know there's some things in this box that are going to go right into my giveaway box. So, yeah. The next thing I have in here is the Spongelle Blossom Bliss. It smells really good. Body Wash Infused Buffer. What does that look like? Okay, it looks like that. I have not decided if I'm keeping that or if that is going in my giveaway. Keep you guys up to date. The next thing here, and I'm super excited about this, but this is the Luxie Complete Face Set. And I am super excited to have some more brushes. So this is one thing when I knew we were getting this that I was really excited about, because I think this is really, really cool. And I can't wait to open and play with these brushes. The next thing here is the Elemis Pro Collagen Marine Cream Anti-Wrinkle Day Cream. And I'm really excited about this because I love skincare. I actually would love if they had like a skincare box. Okay, I think there's a few, there's a few other things. So I selected, because I did not want the little straightener, but this for sure is going into the giveaway box. This is the Suva Beauty Protege palette. And I'm not going to take this little thing off, but I am going to show you guys what it looks like there. This is going to go into my giveaway box. Then I got the Tarte Shimmering Lip Paint, and this is also going to go into my giveaway box, and I think everyone got the shade Insta Famous, so I'm not going to worry about opening this up. Then I got the Grande Mascara Last Boosting Formula. And then I'm not opening this either right now. This is just going to go in my mascara. I have too many mascaras. Let's see if I can get this open, because I do want to look at this in person. This is one thing, because I do want to try more from Violet Voss. I know that this is not the most like colorful palette, but I do want to try this. Go ahead and see if I can get this thing out of here. Can I see the palette, please? At least it's packaged well. Okay, that's pretty. It's a warm tone palette. It, you know, not anything that really surprises me. Although, this Cranberry Splash shade and then the On Fleek shade here, I'm really kind of into. So, you guys will be seeing this on my eyes. I will be using this coming up. I'm sorry I'm not in like a full like play with makeup, but that was everything that was in my BoxyLuxe box. But let's talk about the prices of it all. Okay, so the Elemis Pro Collagen Marine Cream is $89. Holy crap. The Tarte Glitter Lip Paint is $20. Again, this will be going in my giveaway box. The Violet Voss HG palette is $45. Then we have the Suva Beauty Protege palette, and this is a $34 palette. Again, this one's going in my giveaway. Then we have the Luxie Rose Gold Complete Face Brush Set. This is $65. I'm super excited about this. Then the Spongelle Body Wash Infused Buffer is $20. I think I am going to set this into my giveaway pile. I don't know that I'm going to use it. It smells really good, but I just don't know that I'm going to use it. And then the Pretty Vulgar, the powder Room Translucent Setting Powder, Mad About It, is $32. And the Crimes of Beauty Wristlet, this little thing here, is $22. So that's a really good value. You pay $21 plus $28.99, so $49.99 for the BoxyLuxe. And I'm pretty happy with it. I know I'm putting a few things in my giveaway. I kind of do that a lot with BoxyCharm items. And things that I know I'm not going to use that I hope somebody else can get some use out of. So it goes into my giveaway bin, as well as things that I pick up. My next giveaway I'm planning for when I hit 1,500 subscribers, and there will be 2 winners. So I'm going to be collecting for quite a while. Yeah, but thank you guys so much for hanging out and just kind of being understanding that I'm just not really feeling well lately, and that I'm working on my health and I'm just trying to get better. So I just wanted to share this with you guys. Hopefully in a little bit I will be feeling much better and will be able to kind of play with things on camera here with you guys and stuff like that. Well, thank you again. I do hope that you have a wonderful day, night, wherever you are, and bye!